So a lot of people ask about things like the purple prose or beige prose or whatever. And I have an example. I'm going to read it to you because it's so overboard that I'll be honest, I wouldn't even think to write it. But here we go. Purple prose example. The incandescent sun, a blazing celestial orb of scorching radiance, kissed the cerulean heavens with its fiery brilliance, eliminating the emerald tapestry of nature below, where vibrant blossoms danced in jubilant ecstasy amidst the verdant foliage, whispering secrets of eternal spring. OMG, you guys. That's purple prose, and 2 or 3 steps lower than that probably would be 2. So what you really need to do is just say something, that's solid and descriptive without being over the top. You could easily have said, the sun shone brightly on the bright blue sky, casting a warm light on the lush green landscape. Colorful flowers swayed gently in the breeze, adding beauty to the vibrant surroundings. Purple prose is over the top, and your reader will be exhausted before they finish the paragraph. Don't do it.